Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scott Fawny here in the middle of filming an episode of Cooking with Jack. I'm all wired up and ready to go. I got food in the oven, but I just want to take a moment to talk about this gentleman named Etika. I just got an alert on my phone that he was found dead. I don't know what happened. I watched a video about his life and his downward spiral, and it's so sad that any of our YouTube family goes down. I feel bad. I get all torn up. So do me a favor, if you know the family, give them my best. Tell them that I'm praying for them for strength and that I'm so sorry this happened to anybody. And if you know a YouTuber is spiraling down, do me a favor and report it and reach out to them and show them some love and concern. I know it's hard for a lot of you because we get so much hate on our channels that we know some of you do love us, and we just want to show love to the Etica family and any YouTuber that's spiraling or talking about, I guess he was threatening to shoot himself in the head, and they found him dead. So I'm not sure. The story's unraveling right now. I know Phil DeFranco will do a great job of covering this, so I'll be looking for his video. I have a link down below that shows you the downward spiral of Etica and some of the things that went on. This other channel, what's called Super Shiftery, they did a great job. I'm not gonna take their wind out of their sails. They did a great job, so I'm gonna have a link down below if you wanna know what went on with Etica. In the meantime, love goes out to his family, his girlfriend, the NYPD and their investigation. I hope the truth is uncovered on what happened to Etica, and a lot of people loved you, man, so I'm sorry to hear this. It's really sad.